All right, let's go over these practice problems real fast. All right, we got these practice problems. All we're doing is finding the slope. We're going to use a formula, right? So we should get the formula by now, right? M equals, just subtract the y's on top, 5 minus 2. On bottom, 7 minus 1. That's going to leave you with 3 over 6, which of course reduces to an answer of m equals 1/2, right? Reduce when you can, right? You're gonna substitute in, actually do a subtraction, and then reduce if possible. So again, m equals 5 minus 4 on top, right? That y minus that y, over 10 minus 3. So that's gonna be m equals 1 over 7. Obviously that can't reduce, but that is an answer. Number 3 across the top is 5 minus 3 over 8 minus, oh, I did that wrong, see? Make sure you do this right. Make sure you pay attention. 6 minus 8, so that's going to be 2 on the top, negative 2 on the bottom, which is important because that reduces to negative 1, right? Negative 2 over negative 2, those divide into negative 1, so make sure you did that part right. All right, number 4 is 7 minus 5 on top, 3 minus 3 on bottom. So that's going to leave you with 2 over 0. Remember, when the 0 is on the bottom, that's when you have undefined. So you should put undefined as your answer. You should have gotten 2 over 0, and if you did, that's good. But if you still have that, you need to make sure you put undefined. Okay. In the middle, we have a bunch of negatives, so take our time, let's do that. Negative 5 minus negative 2 over negative 7 minus negative 1. Right, we got y minus y, x minus x. Remember, minus negative is the same as plus positive. So actually when we do plus positive, it's going to look a little easier. Right? It's going to leave us with negative 3 over negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. So that's negative 3 over negative 6. That's a negative over negative, so those are going to be positive. And it's going to, final answer, 3 over 6 reduces to 1/2. So that one's actually 1/2. Number 6, 5 minus 4 over 7 minus 4. It's pretty straightforward, right? 5 minus 1, 4 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer to that is 1/3. Answer to that is 1/3. Now we got 2 more problems left on this sheet, right? 2 more left. So what we have is 5, negative 2, and 4, 5. So let's do that one. It's going to be m equals 5 minus negative 2 over 4 minus 5, which equals, remember that's plus positive, so that's 7 over, did I write this problem down? Oh no, 7 over negative 1. So remember, 7 over negative 1 can reduce to negative 7. That could be negative 7. So you could have negative 7 over 1 or negative 7. Either one is correct. And number 8, negative 3, 1, and 3, 9. If you want to find the slope of these, you would do 9 minus 1 over 3 minus negative 3, right? That minus that. It's going to equal 8 over, that's really plus 6, 8 over 6. If you're going to reduce, reduces to 4 over 3. Divide them both by 2. Okay. Again, that's simple. That's how we do graphing. And that's how we do it without graphing, right? That's how we do the formula. So keep that formula in the back of your mind. Keep practicing it. That's a really useful formula moving forward. Okay, best of luck.